Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born during the year 570 according to the Gregorian calendar in the city of Mecca. He was an orphan as his father passed away before he was born. When he was 6 years old, he embarked on a journey with his mother Amina to a different city called Medina to visit his maternal uncles. On their way back to Mecca, his mother passed away in a city known as Al-Abwa. Both of his parents were gone before his seventh birthday. Soon afterwards, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib became his guardian. However, just a few short years later, his grandfather also passed away when Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 8 years old. Before reaching the age of 10, his mother, father, and grandfather were no longer in his life. He was deprived of parental love at a very young age. After their passing, Muhammad, peace be upon him, was raised by his paternal uncle Abu Talib. His uncle was a respected community leader in Mecca. Abu Talib became his new guardian, treated him with care, compassion, and helped him grow into a fine young man. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, was growing into a young adult, the community started to take notice of him. He built a good reputation for himself as he would tend sheep for the people of Mecca, safeguard their possessions, speak the truth, be reserved in his demeanor, and use sound judgment. Well before prophethood, he was the best of his people in character and in attitude. He was known for being generous, patient, truthful, and sincere. The people of Mecca admired his noble character and gave him the title Al-Amin, the trustworthy. He later found employment with a successful merchant in Mecca by the name of Khadijah. She had a reputation for being a savvy business person. He became one of Khadijah's agents and would travel on behalf of her to do business in Syria. Khadijah was very impressed with his good character, honesty, and sincerity. Khadijah would eventually take an interest in him, and no longer after the two would get married. Muhammad, peace be upon him, married Khadijah at the age of 25.